Today, I'll be showing how to use the Roger touchscreen as shown here. Wear the touchscreen using the lanyard. Slide the touchscreen up the lanyard using the tab. Wear the touchscreen 6 inches from your mouth, which is roughly the distance between your baby finger and your thumb when your head is level. If you need to remove the lanyard from the touchscreen, use the gray button on the back to do so. To turn on the touchscreen, press and hold the side button. A green light will flash. The touchscreen transmitter will transmit up to 20 meters or 65 feet. Be aware that what you're saying will be transmitted through doors and walls. Please remember to mute or turn off the transmitter when there's no direct instruction. If you're not muting frequently throughout the day, you may not be doing it enough. Encourage the student to help you to remember to mute and unmute using a nonverbal signal so that the student doesn't have to interrupt you while you're talking. To mute the touchscreen, press the button on the bottom. A red light will flash. To unmute, do the same. There are other buttons and features on the touchscreen, but the only ones you'll use for day-to-day are the on-off button, which you'll also use to wake up the screen when it's gone to sleep, the connect icon, and mute and unmute. The student's hearing aids or cochlear implants should already be connected to the transmitter. But if the student says they're not hearing you through the transmitter, try and reconnect using the connect button. Press and let go of the connect button while holding the transmitter close to the student's ear. For a successful connection, you'll see a brief pop-up message saying the Roger receiver is connected. It's a good idea to do this every morning so that you can assure that everything is working properly. The touchscreen can be used for small group work. Place it on a flat surface and it functions as a conference microphone. This allows the students to hear their peers in the group. The student may need encouragement to use the touchscreen in small groups. Charge the touchscreen every night. Turn off the transmitter and plug the charger into the bottom. There's no danger of overcharging the transmitter. Our team is happy to help and answer any questions that you might have.